Yeah, welcome to today's session. In today's session, we will discuss about chapter 1 real numbers optional exercise. The first question is, can the number 6 power n being a natural number and with digit 5 give reason? Try to understand the question. Given number is 6 power n and n being a natural number, it can be n with digit 5. They are asking to give reason. So given number is 6 power n and n belongs to natural number. So 6 power n to be end in 5, it should be divisible by 5. It should be divisible by 5. So given number is 6 power n. Let us find out the prime factors of 6. 2 table, 2 3 are 6, 3 table, 3 1 are 3. So 6 power n I can write as 2 into 3 whole to the power n. So what are the prime factors of 6 power n? You can see the prime factors of The prime factors of 6 power n are 2 and 3. What are the prime factors of 6 power n? The prime factors of 6 power n are 2 and 3. Therefore, it can't end with digit 5. If it should be end with digit 5, it should be divisible by 5. But the prime factors of 6 power n are only 2 and 3. That is the reason it cannot be n with digit 5. Okay, that is about our first question. Coming to second question, is 7 into 5 into 3 into 2 plus 3 a composite number? Justify your answer. Given 7 into 5 into 3 into 2 plus 3. Actually, here we have two terms. This is one term, plus will separate the term, and this is second term. If you observe carefully, here the number 3 is the common over here. So if I take 3 as common, here 7 into 5 into 1 into 2 plus 1. So 3 into 7 5 are 35, 35 1 are 35, 35 2 are 70, 70 plus 1. So 3 into 70 plus 1, that is equal to 71. If you observe here carefully, here 3 is prime number, 71 is also a prime number. I mean, it is a product of primes. Yes, according to fundamental theorem of arithmetic, every composite number can be expressed as product of primes. Hence it is a composite number. Hence it is a composite number. Okay, this is our second question. Coming to third question, prove that 2 root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number. Also check whether 2 root 3 plus root 5 into 2 root 3 minus root 5 is rational or irrational. What we have to do to prove that 2 root 3 plus root 5 is an irrational number? So what you do, let us assume that Let us assume that 2 root 3 plus root 5 is rational number. Let us assume that 2 root 3 plus root 5 is rational number. Rational numbers, the numbers which are expressed in the form of a by b or p by q. Okay, let me write in the form of a by b. Now squaring on both sides, 2 root 3 plus root 5 whole square equal to a by b whole square. Now which is in the form of a plus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2. A value is 2 root 3 and b value is root 5. A square 2 root 3 whole square, b square root 5 whole square plus 2 a and b is equal to a square by b square. Actually here square belongs to 2 as well as root 3. First 2 square, that is 4, square root gets cancelled, 3, square root gets cancelled, 5 plus 2 2s are 4, root 3 into root 5. Root 3 into root 5, that is root 15 is equal to a square by b square. 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12 plus 5 plus 4 root 15 is equal to a square by b square. 12 plus 5, 17 plus 4 root 15 equal to a square by b square. Now what you do, transpose 17 towards right hand side, 4 root 15 is equal to a square by b square minus 17. Here nothing, I can write it as 1. So 4 root 15 equal to LCM of b square and 1, that is b square, 1 into a square minus 17 into b square, 17b square. Okay, here 4 is multiplying, let me transpose root 15 equal to a square minus 17b square by 4b square. Yes, here LHS is root 15. Our LHS is root 15, which is a rational number, irrational number, which is a irrational number, and our RHS is, what is our RHS? A square minus 17b square by 4b square, which is a rational number. Is LHS is equal to RHS? No, LHS is not equal to RHS. LHS is not equal to RHS. So our assumption is wrong. Hence 2 root 3 plus root 5 is irrational. Okay, and also we have second question in that. We have second question. What is that? Check whether 2 root 3 plus root 5 into 2 root 3 minus root 5 is rational or irrational. Okay, given 2 root 3 plus root 5 into 2 root 3 minus root 5. See, which is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. So what is the formula of a plus b into a minus b? That is a square minus b square 2 root 3 whole square minus root 5 whole square. Right? 2 square, that is 4, square root cancel 3 minus square root cancel 5. 4 3 is 12 minus 5. 12 minus 5 which is 7. What is 7? Which is a rational number. So which is a rational number. Okay? Got it? Coming to fourth question. Fourth question is, if x square plus y square equal to 6xy, given x square plus y square equal to 6xy. Okay, this type of sum we have discussed in exercise also. Add 2xy on both sides. Add 2xy on both sides. X square plus y square plus 2xy is equal to 6xy plus 2xy. See, x square plus y square plus 2xy, which is in the form of x plus y whole square, equal to 6xy plus 2xy, that is equal to 8xy. Now taking logarithm on both sides, log x plus y whole square equal to log 8xy. Okay. Now you can observe here, which is in the form of log a to the power m. Log a to the power m, I can write as m log a, and which is in the form of log x y z. Log x y z, I can write as log x plus log y plus log z. Okay, log 8 I can write as 2 cube plus log x plus log y. Again log 2 power 3, which is in the form of log a to the power m, I can write as m log a, I mean 3 log 2 plus log x plus log y. Therefore 2 into log of x plus y is equal to 3 log 2 plus log x plus log y. Okay, now coming to fifth question. Find the number of digits in 4 raised to the power 2013 if log 2 base 10 is given 0.3010. Okay, given log 2 base 10 is equal to 0.3010. Given number is 4213. This 4 I can write as 2 raised to the power 2 whole to the power 2013. 4 I can write as 2 square. Now which is in the form of a power m whole power n, which is a power m into n. I mean 2 power 2 into 2013. 2 3 is 6, 2 1 is 2, 2 0 0, 2 2 is 4. Okay, 2 to the power of 2 to the power 4026. Take logarithm. Log nothing means base 10, 2 to the power 4026. Now which is in the form of log a to the power m. I can write as m log a 4026 into log 2 base 10, which is given log 2 base 10 value is 0.3010. 4026 into 0.3010. Okay, if you multiply 4026 into 0.30, we'll get the answer 1211.86. Okay, this is our optional exercise. Once you practice, so that you will get each and every problem clearly. Thank you.